Hello, this is Professor Gavor. I'd like to just introduce week 5, and this will be the last set of mini cases. I provided 2 lectures from another textbook where I got the mini cases actually from, and it's out of print, so I guess I don't mind using them. One is enhancing product development, productivity, and project management. And then there's a project management mini case that goes with that. And you have a choice of doing one or the other. If you want to do both, they'll give you extra credit and probably raise your grade. I don't know about one full grade, but at least one third of a grade. If you had a B plus, I'll give you an A minus. If you had A minus, I'll give you an A. If you want to do both. And the reason you should do both, this is not for the incentive of that, but the fact that maybe you want to learn something about both topics. The other one is improving customer service and IT perspective. Well, that's generally the customer interface with your IT systems and using the customer interface to enhance, or using IT to enhance the customer experience. But also the mini case is about customer resource management. It's a kind of software, CRM. So that's the other mini case. Pick one or the other. It's that simple. And then just turn it in, and I won't, when I do the final grades, it'll look like you're missing 50 points, but you won't be, because I'll do it in Excel and not count that. So that's due the 28th. And then I was going to have a discussion this week, but I think I'd rather have you discussing or working on your projects. It's 100 points and 130 points. You're supposed to do your outline. But I haven't put that in here yet because I still have 2 students, that would be you, Julian, and you, Joe, that haven't selected your project yet. So when you do that, I'll structure them, because some of you are working in groups, some of you aren't. So I haven't assigned the groups yet until I hear from those 2 guys. So I'd like to hear from you guys soon, and on what has been picked. If we look at the final project, I think we have someone doing Zorro, we have someone doing Netflix, we have someone doing the platform network effects, which is, or this one, chapter 10, the Uber thing. I have someone else working on the role of IT as people moved all online during the COVID experience. And then, I don't know, the rest is open to you if you want to look at it. So Bitcoin and blockchain is very interesting if you're interested in such things. But also big data and analytics. No one has picked that, and I actually suggested to the 2 guys that haven't done it yet. They're both baseball fans, to look at the role of big analytics in sports. So let's get that done. I'll put the rest of the assignments in place. The first one that you have to do is somehow by the end of this week, and let's make it by next Tuesday, when we have the online experience. And you should call in if you can next week, so we can talk about your projects. And that'll do it. We've covered quite a bit of material in this class. I know that I've got to get, also someone had told me, another student had told me, or 2 students had told me, that from week 4, the chapter 17 quiz is not available, so I'll have to make that available as an assignment. In fact, it's been a while since I looked at it, so link to chapter, take the quiz. Okay, so I'll have to put that link in so you can do that, but don't worry if you haven't done it yet, because I haven't put it up. And it just requires, and I'm afraid to admit it, me remembering how to do this. I think I can remember, but we'll figure it out, and I'll get it done. If not, well, probably not today, but tomorrow. Well, this is a rambly little video. I didn't mean it to be so rambly. But again, week 5, just to summarize, there is 2 case studies, either CRM at Minitrex or project management at MM. There's lectures, there's PowerPoints and video lectures on that. This reading goes with the project management. If you look in here, you'll find the mini case is in each of the assignments. I didn't list them separately. And of course you can download it if you want and take a read of it. So that's it. Thank you very much. And we'll be in touch soon.